Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 online on PC. First, confirm your computer meets the game's minimum specifications, which typically include a 6-core processor and 16 GB of RAM for optimal performance. Next, install the game and all required updates via your preferred digital storefront. Finally, establish or log into your Activision account to unlock all online multiplayer functionalities. Once set up, dive into the multiplayer section from the main menu. You will discover a wide array of game modes, such as the fast-paced team deathmatch or the objective-focused domination. Each mode offers unique challenges and requires different strategies. The game's matchmaking system efficiently connects you with other players, ensuring balanced and engaging online experiences. Customization is key to success and enjoyment. Access the gunsmith to modify your weapons with dozens of attachments, improving accuracy or damage. Select powerful perks and devastating kill streaks to gain an advantage during matches. As you play, you will earn experience points, progressing through ranks and unlocking a vast arsenal of new weapons, equipment, and cosmetic items. To truly excel, effective teamwork is crucial. Use voice chat or the in-game ping system to coordinate with your squad. Familiarize yourself with each map's intricate layouts and high-traffic zones to anticipate enemy movements. Consistent practice, even for just 30 minutes daily, will significantly refine your aim, movement mechanics, and overall strategic awareness, leading to more victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.